All right, good morning. Welcome to another episode of The Open. I'm your host, Esco the Trader. Thank you for joining us here on Esco Trading. All right, so the market's about to open in about another minute. And boy, did we gap down last night. Man, we gapped down tremendously, man. A lot of fear right now on what's going on with Ukraine. I mean, this whole Chernobyl thing is starting to spark a lot of bad memories from when that happened. This is going to be a never ending nightmare, it seems. So, as of right now, we are literally trading within another zone as we have been all week. We're in between supply and demand, and it can go either way, to be honest with you. So, we're just going to watch the market here at the bell and see what we have going on. We have Alibaba. We're trying to catch that under 100. Uber, Lyft, and Twitter. And Twitter's just taking off. So, looks like the market's starting to rally here very quickly. All right, we have the bell. Let's see what we have going on. Twitter just took off. Yeah, Twitter's rocketing right now. So let's just keep our eye and see. A lot of things turning green right now. So, we're just going to sit back and watch. We'll probably get a quick pop into supply and then a rejection. Honestly, there would be no reason to take any quick moves right now. We just kind of want to wait and see if this bloodbath is going to continue this morning. All right, Twitter is definitely rocketing this morning. So let's see. SPY is ripping. Yep. We just sit back and watch the screen and see when things start to reject and catch them on the rejection coming down. Take a look at these contracts. 76. Yeah, contracts are pretty much holding the price. Boeing. Oh, I wanted to watch Boeing this morning. Come on. There we go. Yeah, a lot of things rejecting off the 200. Boeing has a little bit of support down here. Twitter is just gone. Twitter is gone right now. Alright, we got 20 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, this could be nasty. I'm already seeing that this could be nasty right now. This could end up being really nasty. 185. Yeah, let's see. We drop these down to about 6. Alright, watching the SPY here, man. The SPY is where it is right now. Is just this is the tell all. If this thing starts to come down, the Q's are already in the supply zone. SPY is starting to come down. It's holding. It's holding, but it's coming down. Alright, Q's are ripping. Q's look a lot stronger this morning than the SPY. Yeah, SPY's coming down. This does not look good. I'm gonna switch to a smaller time frame so I can see. Yeah, that 200 is definitely acting as resistance. Oh man, missed that Uber entry. Missed that Uber entry. Damn, missed that Uber entry. I knew it was coming down. Damn it. Here we go. Here we go. The Qs still have support, so I don't want to jump in any puts just yet. The Qs still have support right now, so they're looking pretty strong. SPY's looking weak. Don't want to jump. Damn, I'm not gonna lie. We missed these entries though. Yeah, SPY's coming down. Ah, here we go. It's flushing. Let's see if it breaks pre-market low. I still don't want to enter these puts just yet. I still don't want to get in it just yet. I still don't want to get in. Missed 2 good entries. These 185s on Boeing look nasty. Alright, SPY. Yeah, they're pushing the SPY down, man. I don't want to get in anything just yet. You know what I'll do? I'll get in half size. Let me get in half size here. Let me look at Uber. How many do I have on Uber? 30. So I'll do 15 and 15. Ah, man, yeah, this is, yeah. Alright, SPY's coming down. Alright, I'm getting in some Ubers right here at 31.30. I'm going to add half. I'm going to go half if it goes back up to the VWAP. They're pushing it down. They want this thing to come down, man. But the Qs are really strong right now, and they're sitting on top of VWAP. They're sitting above their support. So you have a divergence. All right, we'll add more. We'll add more Uber. All right, we'll add more Uber. All right, we just added more Uber right there. So now we're in 30. All right, let's see. Boom. All right, if it breaks the 200, then we'll get out. We'll take our first loss there. Let's see if this 200 acts as resistance. All right, keeping the finger on the trigger, man. Watching to see what SPY is going to do here. All right, we need a break below VWAP. The Qs has just been strong this morning. They've just been up since the bell. They've taken off. SPY is looking weaker of the two. We just need a nice pull down. If we can get back down to about 31.30, we can exit our full position. See if the SPY is going to get a rejection here. All right, we got a little bit of rising volume. Qs are just looking so strong right now, man. All right, yeah, Qs are ripping, man. Qs are going to pull the SPY up. See if we get another rejection here off the 200. SPY is having a hard time getting past the 200. We just need a good rip down. All right, they're looking like they're going to pop this 200. If they do, we got to get out. We have rising volume on this push too. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. There we go. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. All right, we just need to get down by another 13 cents on Uber, and then we can get out. There we go. Good rejection. Let's go. 9 cents more. All right, we're gonna get out right here. We're gonna try to get out anyway. Let's see if we can get filled. Damn. I think we got out at 41. I think we got out at 41. I don't think we got out at 39. But it's all good. It's all good. We'll take that. Let's see where we are right now. Hopefully we broke even. If not, we might be down a little bit. Yeah, we're down 120. It's all good. Yeah, I think those extra cents made a difference. So we're down 120 right now. Let's just give it a little bit more time. It's rejecting off this 200. So I'm definitely looking to see a nasty rejection on the on this SPY. The Q's starting to look a little weak here. Let's see. I just need the SPY to come down a little bit more. I need the Q's to start showing me some weakness, and I'll get back in. these puts. But right now the market is rallying, so I don't want to force. I really don't want to force anything against them right now. This is just not the smart thing to do. All right, we have yeah, looks like Lyft is rejecting in our zone. Uber is looking weak. All right, here come the SPY. Here we go again. See if we can get filled on this order. Damn, we're not. Okay, we're in half size. If it starts to pull up, we'll add again. Oh, nice drop. Nice drop. See if we get some more downward move here. 29. See if we can get down a little bit lower. Let me see how much we're down now. Actually down more. That sucks. Alright, let's get a little bit more time. We'll add again if alright, here we go. Here we go. Let's add again. Let's see if we get filled. Alright, we're in again. Now it can come down. SPY is definitely coming down. Alright, let's see if we can make it up for it right here. SPY is coming down. Why Uber is going up, I don't know. SPY is at the bottom, testing pre-market low. This doesn't make any sense. This thing should be flushing right now. This thing should be coming down with the market. It's holding this 31.30 level, and the demand for Uber is all the way down here at 31. So why it doesn't drop this extra 30 cents, I don't know. Alright, there we go. Let's see where we are. I'm trying to get out of this negative 90. We're down 90. There we go. Let's go. Let's see where we are now. It's showing us up 30. We're still down 90 bucks. Boom. 35, 165. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get out of here. Let's see if we can get filled. Come on. Let's see if we can get filled right here. We're up 165 right now. Oh my God, this is amazing. Come on, we gotta get out of this. We're out. We are out. Alright, let's see if we can get filled, because we're actually up now. We're up 45. Yo, we got to get filled, man, before this thing starts ripping back up again. Here we go. Yo, why are we not getting filled? This is so annoying. We are not getting filled. Oh my God, it's going even lower. Let's go. Before this thing bounces back, we need to be able to get out, man. And I don't want to hit that market button because we will get screwed. Yo, we're up 200 bucks, man. Come on, this is too easy. We should be getting filled right now before this thing starts to spring back. Yo, TOS is a POS, man. I cannot say it enough. I cannot stress it enough. TOS is a POS. Oh my God, it's going down even lower. Yo, this thing needs to get us the hell out now, like for real. We need to get out. We are up so much right now. This was a no-brainer. Look at this. We're up 2.25. This is insane, yo. This is insane. Why are we not getting out of this trade? Oh my God. If we sell market, we're going to get screwed. I just know we are. Alright, I'm going to try to do 15 and 15. Maybe there's just not enough. Alright, let's see if we can get these orders filled, because we're up now, man. We're up $500. Come on. We're out. Finally. Alright, so that's it. We're done trading for the day. There's no reason for us to take any more trades. We are done. This was a perfect setup. We got in a little bit too early. A little bit of anticipation on that first entry that I got in. And as you can see, we got caught in this little pullback right here, which was fine. But I saw it happening, which is why this was up on my board. I saw this move happening. We got in. As soon as I saw SPY let go, I added the full size. And we were able to capitalize on that. Now we're up 495. So being down -20 to being up 495. This was an excellent trade. We are done. We don't need to continue trading. I think the market is going to continue to sell off. We have room down. We have at least another dollar. We have another $1.50 down on the Qs. We have about another $1 down. So we got more downward move. We have more downward move, but I'm not going to take any more trades. Now, what I will do is I will tell you what I feel will happen next based on what I'm watching. The keys right now are testing pre-market low. So is the SPY. If we break this 431, actually, if we break 430.50, if we break 430.50, then we're definitely going to go down into demand. And we're getting close to it right now. We're 30 cents away. So we're now testing pre-market lows again. So at this point, what I would recommend doing is looking for the weakest stock this morning. Whoever's having the hardest time struggling, who's ever down the most, that's who I would, like this right here, PDD, Pinduoduo. This is, okay, the SPY is breaking it. The SPY is about to break it. It's at 430.66. We break that 430.50 and it's adios. It's adios, amigo. Alright, so I'm gonna keep Uber up here in my upper left-hand corner, because if we break this pivot, I think it's gonna be lights out over here too. But I'm not taking any more trades. Alright, yeah, the SPY is broken it. There we go. So we have more downward move. Pinduoduo, I would jump in that, take it down to the pivot. This is not financial advice. Let's see. Who else? Tesla. No. Wouldn't touch Tesla. Too much support down here. Yep. Uber broke the pivot. Let's see. Next target. I don't even know what to tell you. Just use whole numbers. 30, 50, 30. 30, 50, 30. Yeah, we are 60 cents away from demand, and with the Qs, we are 60, 70 cents away. So we have more downward space, man. We can come down a little bit more. The meat of the move was within the first, let's see, 8, 10, 12, 14. The last 15 minutes was the meat of this move. It's still coming down. We have room, though. But yeah, this little pullback here was your entry, and then boom, down to the pivot. Down to the pivot on Pinduoduo. Let me look around and see who else is taking the beating. BP, British Petroleum. Let's see. Got support down here. I wouldn't touch it. MU Technology. Oh, yeah. MU is coming down. Key level right here at 85.12. Yeah, we have more room. I wouldn't enter right here. I would definitely wait for it to pull back. Boeing. I had Boeing up on my other screen. Yep. Boeing is a little stubborn though. Key level right here at 184.64. Yeah, market's coming down. Once the SPY broke 40.30, I knew. 430.50, I knew. All right, here's your pullback. So this is the second entry. This will be your second entry right here. Let it pull back a little bit more. And then boom, tag it. Take it down. You don't have that much room though. You only have about 50 cents more of room on the SPY, and on the Qs you have 50 cents. So you have a little bit more downward move right now in the market before it starts to hit this zone, and it's probably gonna rally out of it very hard because it's a big zone. Yeah, this was a no-brainer. This was my edge right here. When the market is set up like this, when the indices are opening in between two zones, and there's already like a negative sentiment on the market, this is my edge. This is when I'm looking to go short on stocks. I try to find the weakest candidates, time my entry. I was a little bit off this morning on Uber, but it's okay. It still ended up doing what I needed to do, and I was still able to capitalize and right or wrong. So yeah, I wasn't expecting this pullback that hard, especially not through the moving averages. Maybe up to the moving averages, which is why I only went in half size to start off as opposed to whole size. But yeah, it was a no-brainer. As you can see, Pinduoduo hit the target. If you would have entered here at the pullback, this would have been a nice scalp. Nice scalp. All right, yeah, the indices are kind of hovering. They still have about 20 cents more to go. So if they do a little bit of a pullback, which they're not doing. SPY is already in the demand zone. All right, so trade is done. I wouldn't recommend shorting anything else right now unless the market just flushes through this huge zone, which is massive. This is a massive demand zone which was created over the last couple of days. Actually pull it up right now so you guys can see. All right, so this, why is it not on this chart? I don't know. I don't know why it's not on this chart right now. Okay, it's way back here. There we go. Way back here. So right here. Right here. So this zone, there we go. I don't know why it's on one of my charts, but it's not on all of them. They're not all updating at the same time for some reason. But anyways, here is the demand zone. So you got a dual demand zone. There you go. So you got a full demand zone here, and as you can see, it bounced as soon as it hit it. Right off of my key level of 429.55. That was my key level right there. So this is why I would definitely not recommend taking anything short right now, because this market would literally have to flush another $2, $3 straight through this. Which I'm not saying it can't do it, but if it flushes through all that, yeah, there's nothing else down here. We got to go back like a few weeks now to try to find the next zone. So I would just kind of, if you missed the initial move this morning, you missed it. You missed it. But things can start, bouncing back up. Yeah, this was nasty right here. The break of this pivot right here, this was another, this is another 40 cents. Another 40 cents. All right. Looks like things are still looking weak, but I wouldn't recommend shorting anything at this point. Because what you can end up getting, see this candle right here on Boeing, this long candle? You can end up seeing something like that on the SPY. Like nasty. Oh, there it goes, see? All right, the Qs are also in their zone. Let me see if I can pull them up. Hopefully the zone is going to be up on this chart. If not, I'll have to add it again. There it is. So it literally came down, kissed the zone, boom, popping back up. Yeah. I would wait for it to come back up here. If you decide to short things again, let it come back up here. Let it come back up to this area. Let it clear out these orders that it's picking up. Come back up to this area and then short it back down into that zone. Do not try to short it right now, because this thing is still, it's probably going to get a little bit more volume, but it's still going up. So you're gonna end now if you start add quarter size as it starts to come up. Don't just jump in full size. Let it come back up here, catch it off this rejection, and then boom. And it's Friday too, so it's 0 DTE. These contracts are going to be incredibly cheap. Matter of fact, let me see how cheap these are right now. They're about $2.20 a piece. They're about $2.20 a piece. They could be a little bit cheaper for my taste. So yeah, see how it's starting to reject? But I would let it come up a little bit more if it can. Qs are, now it's reverse. Qs are looking weak. SPY is looking strong. So if you add scale into the position, do not jump in full size, because this thing can just start ripping and it could just pull the whole market up, and that wouldn't be too smart. So again, look for the weakest stocks right now. Look for the stocks that are taking the biggest beating, and those are the ones I would look to go short. But again, we're done trading. We cleaned up a deficit. We were down 120. Thought I was down a little bit less, but we were down 120. We ended up jumping in. It wouldn't let us out, and it just, for some reason, it just kept going in our favor. So, and I would have been happy, taking the $50 win. I just wanted to eat up that loss. So I really wasn't too worried about the gains. But because it didn't want to let us out, trade just kept going in our favor. And I had to, instead of trying to exit full size, I split the order in two, and then eventually it let me out. So this was probably the first time TOS, which is still a POS, but it's not as big of a POS. Maybe it's not like an elephant POS, but more like a Chihuahua POS. Alright, looks like SPY is coming back down, so I don't know if it's going to flush back down into demand. But as you can see, even with this flush here, like Uber isn't moving, PDD really isn't moving, Boeing is kind of moving, but, again, I would let it come back up, like literally slam into this, and then short it, take it back down. Yeah, I'm done. I'm definitely done trading today. I'm going to go ahead and write in our journal. Today we were fortunate, man. We actually, we were able to get on to a good trade. We actually got a good ticker that didn't try to fight us. Like, as you can see, even with Boeing here, Boeing ended up kind of, consolidating in this area here instead of just flushing. Uber just gave us one pullback, and then it just flushed the rest of the way. I mean, this was a no stress trade. Stress getting out, but not, if your intentions was to stay in longer, this was definitely a $1,000 play. All right, so we might see a little bit of consolidation now, hovering. Volume is starting to drop a little bit here. Yeah, volume is getting weak. Let's see where we at right now as far as volume. Yeah, we're at a little over 10% for our normal trading day. This is a half hour into the day, so we might see a little bit of consolidation up in here, and then I don't know, it might slowly make its way back down. It's kind of hard to imagine things ripping without coming down here to grab some more orders, but then again, what do I know? All right, Boeing is down here at the key level, 184.64. Let's see if this holds. Let's see if it holds. All right. Looks like this key level is holding, getting a little bit of a push here. All right, there goes that rep. Again, this is the zone. This zone right here is the zone where you're going to want to take rejections if you were to take rejections. This zone right here. This is where it can reject. Up in here. I could even go up a little bit higher. Right there. If you were to go short on anything, catch rejections off of this area. Let the SPY exhaust itself with these buy orders, and then jump in and then take it back down at least to this key level at 429.50. Now this would be a matter of timing. One thing I do not encourage is timing the market, but you would definitely have to time your entries as it's starting to get exhausted. All these orders are pushing, as you can see, it's pushing these orders up in here, but we're still, look at the volume. The volume is like non-existent. There's like no volume down here. So once it starts to get exhausted, boom, take it back down. Pay attention to the stocks that are looking weak right now. Look at Pinduoduo. SPY is ripping, Pinduoduo is not ripping. Uber is kind of getting a little bit of a push here. Boeing is getting a little bit of a push, but look at Pinduoduo. It's not really doing anything. So this implies to me that this stock is weak today. Look at this. Look at the volume candle right here. This is insane. So as soon as this thing, SPY, starts to curl back down, this is when I would jump in here and start to short it. Now, where, I wouldn't know what level. I didn't plot this out, so I wouldn't know what level to take it down to. But again, this is looking really weak right here. All right, there's the SPY. Yeah, it's ripping right now, so let me go ahead and clear my zone. Let me get out of here. Boom. There you go. Yeah, so we're getting push here, we're getting the push here, we're getting nothing here. So I would definitely keep my eye on PDD. If I was to look to continue taking more plays today, I would look for the weakest stock. Twitter, what a disappointment. Look at this. It ripped this morning, and it literally just came right back down. Like, this made absolutely no sense whatsoever. This is what you call a bear trap. Ripping off the bell like that, I'm sure retail was probably jumping in around this area. Oh, we're going long today. We're going long. Hit this ceiling and then flush. All the way back down. Again, SPY just ripped. Two beautiful candles, rejection off the 200, and look at Twitter. Twitter's barely moving. Barely moving. So, like PDD, I mean, you might have two weak stocks here. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking and seeing what else. All right, Peloton. All right, PDD, American Airlines, Macy's, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's getting a pop right here. Uh-oh. If crypto starts to get a pop, then that means the market is probably going to rally. BP. All right, now this is the interesting positions because we're literally sitting right on the moving averages right now. So if the market starts to look a little weak, BP can possibly end up coming back down. If it breaks this 200 at 2028, if it breaks 27.95, yeah, I would definitely look to short it. I would look to short it down to 27.84. 27.75, 27.55, yeah. So I would keep an eye on BP today. See what it does. Wait for it to break 27.95. If it breaks below that, it's a wrap. Push it down. Come back and check that in about half an hour. Alright, we just looked at that. Lyft and Uber is pretty much the same company too. So if you didn't know that, you can look at the chart patterns. They're pretty much identical. Pop, pull, pop, flat, dump. Pop, pull, pop, flat, dump. And now it's creating like this little hook, this little J down here. So those two companies are pretty much identical. All right, banks. Yeah, everything is going to have the same pattern right now. So I would definitely keep an eye on the SPY. If you're looking to short, keep an eye on the SPY. As you can see, it rallied. It tried to rally past the 200, which is actually, it's been respecting all morning. If you look here, reject, came down, refueled, rejected, try to rip above, rejected, and here we are again now getting rejected off of it. So the 200, very strong moving average right now. Anything you take now would be a very quick in and out, probably 10 to 15, maybe 20-second scalp. Anything that you take right now, because I think this market is probably going to range now. Let me go ahead and change this to red. There we go. So we're going to treat this as a supply zone right here. Yeah, so I would look to see what the weakest stock is. Definitely not Uber. As you can see, Uber's getting some buying here. SPY's pulling down, is retesting VWAP, but then we have Walt Disney down there looking weak. So Pinduoduo rejecting off the 9. This would probably be a good short. All right, let's see. Let's keep going down the list. Snap. Nah. Holding that key level at 3480. Key level. Alright, Roadblocks, yeah, if it breaks this support right here, it's gonna look nasty. Alright, spies. Yeah, spies. Looks like it's one. Looks like it wants to break VWAP. Qs are breaking VWAP. Spies trying to hold VWAP. Another divergence. Alright, let's see. Keep an eye on Twitter news too, man. Keep an eye on Twitter news. If any late breaking news with Russia, anything, I think, and just send this thing back down quickly. Alright. Yep. Everything is probably going to be creating this like fish hook now. SoFi breaks this pivot is a wrap. This is pre-market low. Yeah, pre-market low. It breaks this. You got room down to 1013. Let me look at these SoFi contracts. 26 cents. Not bad. Not bad. I'll actually might load up some SoFis. Might load up some SoFis. What I need, 10 5s, 10 and a halves, 25s. Yeah, this is gonna be like, I'll probably do like a 40 contract position. Probably do 10 10 10. I don't want to take any more trades, but I'm just loading this because SoFi looks like a good candidate. This could be a good trade. If Qs end up coming, yep, see, yep, this could be a good trade. See if SPY breaks this 9. If it breaks this 9, I would definitely jump in these all the way down to 1013. I would load the boat. Not financial advice, but this looks good, man. This looks good coming down. Oof. A little bit of a pullback here. All right, what the hell? What the hell? We just got in some SoFi puts here. Now we're playing with profit, so I'm willing to risk $100. Alright. Let's add 10 more. Damn, these are loading very quickly. So we're in 20. Let's see if it pulls back up. We're in 20 contracts. If it comes back up, we'll add again. See if it comes back up, we'll add again. See if SoFi comes back up. If we do, all right, it's coming down. So at this point, let's see. Let's keep an eye on this. Let's see if it comes down a little bit more. Yeah. Come on down, SoFi. Yeah, it's holding. SPY is coming down, but SoFi is not coming down. So definitely not a weak stock. We might have to exit here our full position if this thing doesn't. We can't break 1032 for some reason. Come on, 1031. Yeah, this 1032 is not really giving us anything. SPY is flushing, man. This thing is just holding this 1032. There we go. There we go. There we go. 29. Back to 32. Oh, man. I was getting excited there for a second. 33. Come on. I'll add more. I'll add more. Looks like we still might have some room down. No. Alright, we just added. Alright, let's see if we get a little bit more room down now. There we go. At least get us back down to 29. Come on. Let's get back down to 29. get back down to 29. 31. Let's get to 29. There we go. Come on. There we go. We're at 30. 29. It doesn't hold it, though. It doesn't hold 29. 32. It's not giving us 29. It doesn't hold it that long. 30. Yeah, it's not giving us what we want, man. We're trying to be patient, but it's just... I don't know why we can't get any lower. I mean, this market isn't going to continue to go down all day. Like, come on. $31. Damn, it's not going any lower. This is insane. This thing is not going any lower. I don't know why it's not going past 30. Give us another candle going down. There we go. Come on. 32. 31. 31. 30. It doesn't even hold 30 like longer than 2 seconds, man. That's the disappointing thing. If the market starts to come back up, it's really gonna go against us. I just want it to get down to 29, 28. Just hold it. 28. There we go. There we go. Get us out. Get us out. Get us out. Get us out. All right, we're trying to get out at 28. Come on, get us out, man. Get us out. 27. Might have to do the same thing we did with Uber. Might have to get out in 2 positions. What did I just do? Let me make sure I didn't... Oh my God, we're up tremendously right now. Let me make sure I don't have... How many contracts? We have 40 contracts. All right, so we just got to get filled. We're up to 20 right now. Damn, we're down to 25, yo. Yo, TOS, we don't need you to be a POS right now. Get us out of this position. Come on. Get us out of this position, man. Golly, we're back down into demand. This thing can rocket and go against us. This is insane, man. This. Yo, we're up. Thank you. Godly. We're up 730. All right, beautiful. Nice $240 play. Yeah, this thing has been acting crazy lately. Doesn't want to get us out of our positions. First time that not getting us out has actually gone in our favor. So, but it is what it is, though. So we're up now 7. How much was it? 735. So 2 incredible plays. Got our edge. We're good. We're good. We're good. Now we're officially done. Let me get back to writing in my journal. All right, that's it, man. That's it for us today. This is nice. Almost $1,000 day. Nice. All right, 10 o'clock. We're willing to risk $100 on that trade, but actually walked away $240. So the day is over. We're good. I want to thank you guys for joining us on another episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I am your host, Esco the Trader. I hope today was a lot more entertaining than yesterday. We actually ended up taking some more trades after we signed off. We were down 120. I believe we were down 120 yesterday. And we actually ended up... No, I'm sorry. I think we were down 430. Yeah, yesterday we were down 430. And we took... Let's see here. We took a couple trades yesterday. We traded AMD and BP after we signed off, I believe. AMD and BP after we signed off, and we were able to recover our losses, and we actually finished the day up $25. So we were up $85, and unfortunately they didn't want to let us out, and we ended up losing $60 on that. So yeah, but it actually End of the day green. We're down 430. We ended up 25. Same thing with today. We're down 120 and now we're up 7, almost 750. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Trade what you see, not what you think. Have a great weekend. Get some rest, recharge, get ready for Monday. Stay on top of the news. See if anything breaking news happens over the weekend that can possibly affect the market.